Welcome back. So for some reason, Nana Banana can't get it to work at the moment. So we're going to be using Firefly Image 5 for the next couple of videos. I should really be using it anyway, I suppose. So it's not necessarily a bad thing. But we're going to use it again. We've got acoustic wax painting. Again, we've got chiaroscuro, um, dawn. Time of day is often important. And then we've got some. So we've got description, the subject. Hopefully we'll recognize that word, right? Yeah. So hopefully we should get a bit faster with. I'm not sure if it's not working down at Banana at the moment, but it's just that. Let me just see. Yeah, you can't actually see how fast it's going with that. You can in the video though. Not too bad. Not that impressed. I think the problem is that for photography, it doesn't quite do what you expect. Um, I think it's definitely better with illustration. Let me choose this term. This is another term I noticed a lot. Doesn't look hugely different, right? Symbolist. Could do. I hesitate to use some of the art styles. I did actually study history of art, so I sort of know a lot of art styles. Not bad. Let me see what the symbolism was a bit like futurism, in that a lot of it wasn't actually art. It was more the other arts. Let me try futurism. Seeing as we're going down this way, we'll do it that way, right? Should get a nice contrast to it, potentially. Because it seems to know the thing is, this tells me that probably there's a lot of training data. There's probably going to be much less training data, so this might be a mess. But we'll see. It doesn't look hugely different, right? It's probably because the subject is kind of messing it up. I might need to put this here as well. Looks better, right? Yeah, that's definitely a better image. I prefer that. What else? Clock dial, um, buttons. Yeah, there you go. That would be fine. I think it's kind of interesting that. Yeah, you see, we're really getting into a different style now, right? It looks cooler. Like this does not look cool. This does not look cool. This looks a bit cooler, and this looks significantly cooler, right? You can also do the another one, a good one. The circular object is the what's it called? The steering wheel of a ship. Can't even remember. So but that's a good like way to look at certain things, right? I did want to look at this Wimmelbinder word. Um, mm, mm. what other words I like? I like cascade. It seems to work well, right? All right, let's move on to another section. Monochromatic seems to be an interesting word. This is actually real behavior, which is interesting. Spectral tones of. I think maybe a darker color might be good. That's pretty good, isn't it? Yeah. Funny enough, I was looking up lemmings, but yeah, I won't explain. If you look up lemmings, you might see how I got to find out about this animal. This is a really striking image, though. I really like that. Um, I wonder what words is doing the most. Probably monochromatic. All right, let's move this into. I think what we're going to do is we're going to take this image and we're going to move it into video because I think I can do some work with this. All right, let's start with VO. How much is the fast one? Is that even more? Oh, wait, weird. Fast only uses 80 credits. I never realized that. So maybe that is the way to do it. So why would I use the... Hmm. So it's 5 times as much, that one. That's so weird. Let's try the fast one, because to be honest, I'm not sure I've got that it's working today, VO anyway. Um, punches into the wall. Climbing up over the edge into a cubby. I think that is a word that is used in a lot in America. Let's see if we can get something from that. Let's see how it looks. Oh, I like that. That is awesome. Yeah, so that is the one, because I know it's no different. To be honest, yeah, the other one was. Is there any difference really? Not that I can really notice between those two, except for VO 3.1. It's 5 times as much in terms of credits. And keep in mind that most of the time people get about 2,000 to 4,000 credits a month. So, I mean, I could probably just use that the whole time now. So I might just do that. I wonder, like, if we can do like some growth in the. We're going to stick with this. I'm not sure if there's a way to put the last frame apart from just. I'd have to look into that. Like, if there's a way to get the last frame, because if you want to do an extension, there must be a way to do that, right? If I wanted to continue from this point, how would I go about doing that? This is just download this button, right? What does this button do? Generate sound effect. All right, we're moving into slightly different territory here, but we know it's still a prompting, right? Because I haven't done this before. Is the media is already there, right? Okay. That is weird. What does that even mean? That's an odd thing to say, isn't it? I guess if you don't do it, it just works it out on its own. Premium feature. Oh, well, we might look in this again, but for now. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I see. Hmm. We're gonna have to look at this separately. All right. I think probably the only way to get rid of it then is just to make the Tarsier do something else. There you go. That's pretty good, actually. That's basically what I was thinking. It's pretty good. I think what's interesting. Let me just see. Is his head doing? Yeah, I guess it is, right? I actually meant over here. I didn't mean behind there. So it's interesting. The word behind. You need basically more frames of reference. Almost like you need to use all those words like dorsal and that might be a way to do it.